Hi everybody, it's Janet from SugarShine Designs. Today I'm here to announce our giveaways, our two winners for the giveaways sponsored by Creative Escape Papercrafting Company. Before I do that, I want to just say that these giveaways are continuing, and the next participant from the design team is Jenn. You can find her on YouTube as Platinum Peacock, and you can find her on Instagram under the Creative Escape 1 name. And so keep an eye out. She's going to be launching her giveaways pretty soon. I don't know the exact date, but you'll want to keep an eye out for it and participate in that when it happens. If you recall, to qualify for this drawing, you simply had to comment on either the 10 cards 1 kit or the unboxing video for the June fully loaded kit from Creative Escape Papercrafting. And if you did that, plus you went over to Creative Escape 1 and went ahead and followed there, then you qualified to get in this drawing. I've got a fun video coming up this weekend. It's a collab with another YouTuber, a friend of mine. Her name is Elaine from Max and Soji. And we're going to do a glow party using the Lawn Fawn Bean Me Up, and then also the Fireflies stamp sets from Lawn Fawn. And it's going to be kind of like a one stamp used 5 ways, and they all glow. So that's the glow party part of it. I'm also using the new reveal wheel, so stay tuned and look for that on Saturday. And I think you're going to like that a lot. So we're going to go ahead now and pick out a couple names here. I'm going to start with the one that is for the chameleon stamp here. This is the Lawn Fawn, your one in a chameleon. And I'm also going to send with you one of the Nouveau. This was not announced, but it is an extra goodie that we're going to, that I'm not me, but that Creative Escape Papercrafting is giving away. This is called Glitter Drops. So it's the Glitter Drops and it's called Silver Moon Dust. So it's kind of a gray color with glitter in it, with silver glitter. So it's really kind of pretty. All right, so we're going to draw a name here from my bowl of names. And I wish my son was here, but he's at Bible camp this week, so he can't help me pull the name. Oops, we lost one there. I'm just going to look away, and I know you can't see me, but I am looking away. And we'll dig in here and pull something out. All right, what do we got? So this is Smile is the New Color. So you are the winner of the stamp and the Nouveau Glitter Drops, and she says, love them all, 9 and 10 are my favorites. So this came obviously from the 10 cards 1 kit video that I did. So congratulations. Let's pull the next one. Now this one is for the $20 gift certificate with Creative Escape Papercrafting. This one you'll just get a code from them that you can use in their store. So let's do it again. Let's pull a name, get them all in there so everybody has a chance. All right, let's pull one. Okay. And this is from Denise Bryant. Looks like an awesome kit. Love the fun 6x6 papers. The halftone star stamp set is beautiful. New subscriber here. Happy to find you through Creative Escape Papercrafting. So yay! This one also came from the 10 cards 1 kit video. So Denise, and Smile is the new color. I need you to reach out to me so I can get you the information you need here. I need your emails. So if you're comfortable with putting your email out, just comment in the 10 cards 1 kit video, which is the most recent one. Just comment there to me with your email and I'll reach out that way. If you're not comfortable with that, you'll need to go to my Facebook page for SugarShine Designs. Just go to SugarShine Designs and look, go to Facebook and type in and search for SugarShine Designs. You'll find me there, and from there you can send me a private message. So that way, if you want to keep your email private, we can. And the other thing is, if you want, if you do leave it on YouTube, I can also delete that comment as soon as I get it, so it doesn't stay up there forever. So you guys decide what you're most comfortable with, and then I'll get with you from there and mail you, in the case of Smile is the New Color, the Nuvo drops and the stamp set. You'll have fun with that. And I know that that you're going to have a great time with this, Denise, because you can buy some fun stuff there and the store. All right, thanks so much for participating and following along and subscribing, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. So thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye. So